What's up, everybody? It's your girl Niobe, and I'm back with another video. Now this time we're gonna switch it up and we're gonna talk about our home. Yes, our sanctuary where we go home after work, where we raise our families, where we do our beautiful makeup. We're gonna talk about something to improve your home and give it a little slight facelift. So something that people don't often think about, but it's super important, is light bulbs. That's right, light bulbs. Now, the reason why I decided to share this video with you guys is because I recently purchased light bulbs, and when I tell you guys, it was a mission, okay? I want a certain type of look and feel, and I wanted it for my living room, my hallway, and my bathroom. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a slight little lesson about light bulbs. Some people, you just go to the dollar store and you get the cheapest light bulb. That works for you. But for other people, we wanna brighten our home, or we wanna set a nice mood in the home. Now, but what I was particularly looking for is a bright daylight feel in my home. I like when it's nighttime outside that it's still bright in my house and I can still see things clearly. And when I'm putting my makeup on in the bathroom, I want to be able to have that feel. You know when you go to the Marriott or something and they have that nice glass mirror and it's so bright and fresh inside? Well, we're gonna do that in our bathrooms just with adding the proper lighting. Now in my bathroom, I use globe lights. We have a light fixture that requires 8 of these. Now, if you guys ever went shopping for globe lights, you know how expensive they can be, and they sometimes don't come in a big package. But your girl went on Amazon. You know I love Amazon. I went on Amazon and I found these. Now, these are LED lights, and it came in a pack of 12. Yes, girl, 12. Not 3, not no odd numbers, an even number of 12. Now, I spent $28.99 on these, and I had free shipping. So around $29 to get 12 of these globe light bulbs. And you guys wondering, like, that sounds expensive. Look, to find these globe light bulbs for that amount of money was actually pretty affordable. I went on Home Depot, I went on Walmart, and Amazon was the cheapest place I can find enough light bulbs to replace all 8. Okay? Now, when I was doing research, I kept getting regular light bulbs. I wasn't getting the globe light bulbs that I wanted. I typed in globe and I got regular light bulbs. So when you're looking for globe light bulbs, you have to type in G25. G25 is the shape and size of the globe of these light bulbs. So instead of getting regular light bulbs, you would get this shape. Now I'm gonna show you guys what shape I'm talking about, just in case you guys are confused. This is G25 globe, okay? And I type in LED because LED saves energy. Now these are called US green lighting. And now we're gonna get in about colors. Yes, there are different colors when it comes to light bulbs. Girl, I didn't know all this beforehand, but now I do, and I want to make sure you guys do too. So when you're looking for light bulbs, remember I want a daylight look. So that means I wouldn't go for a warmer light bulb. So you have 3 primary colors. You have warm, then you have cool, and you have daylight. Daylight is more of a blue tone, and warm will give you more of that yellow tone. So if you like a mood like you're in, the spa, and it's like really low, and you like to meditate, you will probably go for a warmer color. But if you want a look like I want, like a day fresh, bright, you will go for more of a daylight color. If you want like an in-between color, you will go for a cool color because it's a little bit of in-between. It's not as bright and it's not as warm. It's right in the middle. Now, when it comes to finding the brightness, because I really wanted a bright light like at the Marriott hotels, I had to then check for the lumens. Girl, didn't know that even what that word was. But when doing research, lumens matter about the brightness as well. So there's brighter, warmer lights, and there's dimmer, warmer lights. And the same thing goes for cooler and daylight lights. So the more lumens it has, the brighter your light is going to be. Now for this particular one that I use in my bathroom, it has 450 lumens, okay? Now, also you want to pay attention to your wattage. Your wattage is about how much electricity that the light bulb is going to use. So if it's energy efficient, you want to use as less wattage as possible, but when you're looking at your light bulbs, you want to make sure it's not taken away from the lumens as well. So you want a balance to keep that brightness if you want a bright look. So with these were bright white, 450 lumens, okay? And they were 6 watts. Yeah, doesn't sound like a lot, but because these are LED, they go lower. 6 watts is equivalent to 40 watts. So I had 12 of these. I was able to replace the 8 light bulbs in my bathroom, and I still have left over, so if one of them goes out anytime soon, I can replace them easily. And another cool thing, when I got the package, I expected these to be glass. These are plastic, so it's good waterproof. So if you want to put these in your bathroom and you know your bathroom has your shower, it will be okay. I don't suggest changing them after taking a shower, don't be dumb, but these are safe for you to use in your bathroom, okay? Now we're gonna go into my living room and hallway. I wanted to get regular light bulbs for those places because they're gonna be covered with shades, like lamp shades anyways. So it really didn't matter what shape they were. So I put in bulbs, and I still wanted that bright look. So I went to Home Depot. I know, wow, shocker, I didn't go on Amazon. Yes, Home Depot, and I got this pack of 8. So it's an 8-pack. It was a little less expensive. It was $9.94, so around $10. And I did curbside pickup, so I just ordered online and went to Home Depot to pick it up. And these are 60 watts, and they're by Ecosmart, and they're also LED. So sticking with the LED because they're more energy efficient. But I make sure that they were still daylight. You see this blue thing? If you were going for a warmer look, they would have yellow instead of blue. Because remember, daylight is blue, warm is yellow. So I got these 8-pack. I didn't even use them all. I still have like half a pack left. But I did use one in my hallway, and I used 3 in my living room. And when I say it made a big difference in my living room, it brightened up the whole space just like it did in my bathroom. So instead of like having to use 3 lights just to get brightness in my living room at night, I only need to turn on 1 sometimes, and it's enough for me, and I feel comfortable. So if you want a nice daylight look in your home, in your bathroom, anywhere in your house, get daylight LED light bulbs. Okay? Oh, one more thing I almost forgot. So when you're changing out your old light bulbs, make sure when you're disposing them that you do put them in a plastic bag. And I did 2 plastic bags just in case these break, and when they end up at the dump site, someone might be handling the trash. I don't know what they do at the dump sites, but just for safety precautions for other people, thinking about others and not myself, I put 2 plastic bags together and I dumped all my old light bulbs in here, and then I will throw these in the trash. That's how you dispose of those, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys what these regular light bulbs look like compared to the globes. So remember, if you want globe, G25 globe, and if you want regular light bulbs, just put globe light bulbs. And decide if you want a daylight or you want a warm look, okay? So it's up to your preference, but I hope you guys enjoyed this.